Satoko Miyahara is a Japanese figure skater. She was born on March 26, 1998 in Kyoto, Japan. Her parents are both doctors. Due to her parents' work, she moved with her family to Houston, Texas when she was 5 years old and had returned to Kyoto by the age of 7. On February 13, 2016, Miyahara graduated from Kansai University High School. She has stated her plans to attend Kansai University and major in literature as well as continuing in study English. Standing 5 feet tall, she is known to her fan base, the Teeny Queen. She placed fourth at the 2018 Winter Olympics. Miyahara is currently the 7th highest ranked ladies figure skater in the world by the International Skating Union. She competing at the 2021 Skate America. Miyahara placed 7th. In December 2020, Miyahara returned to Japan to compete at the 2020-21 Japan Championships. She placed 6th in the short program after performing only an invalid double loop as her solo jump instead of a planned triple. Third in the free skate, she rose to the bronze medal position. She was assigned to compete at the 2021 World Championships in Stockholm. Miyahara suffered a right foot injury later in December that kept her off the ice for some time. She struggled at the World Championships, placing 19th, the first time she had placed outside the top 6. In her assessment in terms of technique, it wasn't a performance worth talking about. Miyahara began skating while she was living in the United States and came under the guidance of Mai Hamaja in Kyoto, Japan at the age of 7. Miyahara opened her season with a gold medal at the 2016 US Classic. Turning to the Grand Prix series, she won the bronze medal at the 2016 Skate Canada International. She began her season at 2019 Japan Open, where she placed 4th with a score of 134.94 points, contributing to Team Japan's silver medal. At 2019 US Classic, she placed first in the short program with 74.16 points and second in the free skate with 130.14 points, once again winning the gold medal at the event. At her first Grand Prix event, the 2019 Cup of China, she placed second in the short program despite 2 under rotations. She was third in the free skate with 3 jump under rotations but remained in second place overall, taking the silver medal. Miyahara placed second in the short program at the 2019-20 Japanese Championships after under rotating the second part of her jump combination. At the 2018 Japan Championships, Miyahara won the short program, slightly more than a point ahead of Sakamoto. At the 2017 Japan Championships, Miyahara was crowned the national champion for the 4th time after placing second in the short program and first in the free skate. On December 24, 2017, she was selected to represent Japan at the 2018 Four Continents Championships in Taipei, the 2018 Winter Olympics in Pyeongchang, South Korea, and 2018 World Championships in Milan, Italy. In Taipei, Miyahara was first after the short program, third after the free, and won the bronze medal overall. Miyahara went on to win gold at the 2016 Four Continents, achieving personal bests in every position of the competition. She finished 5th at the 2016 World Championships in Boston, the only event of this season where she finished off the podium. In the 2012-2013 season, Miyahara won gold and bronze medals at her JGP events in the United States and Turkey representatively. Miyahara then won the 2012 Japanese Junior Championships before placing 5th at the JGP final in Sochi, Russia.